Good morning, this is Marty TV and this is the fourth day of our basic lights and sound setup for the grand opening of another branch of chemotherapy center. By the way, here we are at Caloocan, South Caloocan City, which is in the 8th Avenue. And thank you so much for our new subscribers, and if hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe po kayo sa ating pong YouTube channel. Tara! By the way, the speakers that we are using is the Alto TS415, which is 2,500 watts speaker. Napakalakas po niyan. Yung setup ko sa mixer, yan, mumurahin lang yan na iMix 800. Pero kinagandahan kasi dyan, merong aux buses at maganda yung effects, reverb type, reverb echo delay. So yun, yung mic natin yan, titanium audio na 4 channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.